Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
You are not the personality which you accept yourself to be. You are the conscious being which you are yet to know. You are not the personality which appears for a shorter duration. You are the conscious being, eternally ever present. You are not the personality. You are neither the identifications related to the personality. You are the conscious being prior to the personality, prior to the identifications. The so-called personality which you accept yourself to be related to the form level is exclusively at the duality level, which is nothing but a dream level. You are never inside the dream. You only observe the dream just now and always. Whatever you accept yourself to be the form within the dream level is exclusively by the elements. Elements interact spontaneously and form happens spontaneously just now in space. And your conscious being is prior to elements, prior to the form happenings in space. By accepting yourself to be the form, to be a person, you are unable to know your original state beyond birth and death, your original state which is beyond duality, your original state which is eternally ever present. You know only the duality show with respect to the appearances and movements of the form and objects in space. You are yet to know that there is a state prior to space, prior to form happening, prior to objects happening, prior to the entire duality happening. Your consciousness is already beyond space, beyond movement, beyond changes. But it never knows its unmoving richness, its unending richness. Just by accepting itself to be a person, to be a form in space. Now I am introducing that state, that conscious state, beyond duality, beyond form, beyond object, beyond movements, beyond changes. This state is something new to you. You find difficult to accept these teachings also. At the surface level, at the duality level. That's why here, throughout my teachings, I help you to close your eyes and know the unmoving state within. Only by closing eyes and knowing the unmoving stillness within, your consciousness is capable of receiving these teachings totally inwardly. Because I know that you are that. That means the eternal, the supreme, the unending, the beginningless, the ever-present, the ultimate, the absolute, the unborn reality. You are the unborn reality, the totality of the non-dual reality. But you never know that you are already in the non-dual state, that you are already in the eternal state, that you are already the supreme. Why you are unable to know? Because the state which I call it as supreme, the ultimate, the eternal is beyond duality. You are yet to know what is beyond duality. That's why you are closing your eyes. The moment you open your eyes, the space happens. In space, every object appears spontaneously, which you call it as duality. Duality means continuous movement, continuous changes, continuous appearances and disappearances, where you see yourself different from whatever that is perceived. So much variations, so much divisions, where there is no reality. So throughout the waking state, you only observe the duality show where there is no reality. But you keep on giving reality to the perceived duality. So you remain restless. How can you remain restful and peaceful? By giving reality to the dream where there is no reality, which appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed. Why you are unable to know that you only observe the dream? Because you are sleeping. In deep sleep, you do not know that it is a dream. Why? Because you are not conscious of your presence. That's why I say your consciousness sleeps when it is not conscious of itself at the personality level. How you are able to know that whatever perceived in the dream state is not real? Only upon waking up, totally. Exactly here, your consciousness is sleeping throughout the waking state. So it is accepting the dream to be real, to be real, to be real. It is accepting the duality to be real, to be real, to be real. The moment you are conscious of yourself, as you are now inwardly, just now you are free from the dream. Just now you are beyond dream. Just now you are prior to the dream. Once you are conscious of your presence inwardly, you remain free from the dream cannot affect you because you are very much conscious of your presence. The moment you are conscious of your presence, you remain wakeful. That's why I say knowing your conscious presence inwardly in stillness is most essential. I not only say that whatever perceived in space is exclusively an unreal dream, I also give you the clue, the way, how to wake up consciously, how to stay free from the dream. That is to be conscious of yourself. The moment you are conscious of yourself, you stay away from the dream. You remain free from the dream. You remain free from tensions. You remain free from thoughts. You remain free from identifications. You remain free from emotions. You remain free from knowledge. You remain free from words. And you are totally free inwardly. This dream is going on at the space level. But the observer is beyond space, prior to space. That's why, by remaining conscious inwardly just now, you are free from the dream. Even when eyes are open, you can observe silently and stay free from the dream by not identifying much with the duality dream. First, I help you to be conscious of yourself, and only when you are conscious of yourself, you can get to know the observer. Just now, with eyes closed, you know the stillness within. Now your consciousness is conscious of itself. Consciousness conscious of itself means knowing the unmoving stillness beyond words. Whenever you stay beyond words, your consciousness is conscious of its presence. Now you know the stillness. And who observes the stillness? And who can observe the stillness just now? It's only you. First you get to know the stillness, then you come to know that you only observe the stillness. Now, in stillness, no objects appearing and disappearing. So in stillness, you are free from the object level show. Since you are free from the object level show, you are free from the identification level show also. So there's nothing to identify with. That's why you remain free from words. Now you observe the stillness. In the same way, even with eyes open, you observe the duality show in stillness. That's all needed. Now you know to observe silently with eyes closed. In the same way, know to observe silently even when eyes are open. That means you are stabilizing in your original state where you are already. I help you to observe silently inwardly just now without words. You need to practice it because this is something new to you. Now you know to observe silently without words. Be with this state as much as possible. Then open your eyes. Whatever the objects appear, do not bother. Simply observe silently. That means you are free from the duality show. And respond to the need of the moment whenever it is essential. You cannot be always closing your eyes. So you need to open your eyes. You need to interact with the duality show also whenever it is essential. Once you know to observe silently inwardly, you can very easily observe silently, even outwardly, at the duality level. And the duality level cannot affect you because you are observing without identifications, observing without words. So the moment you start observing without words, without identifications, you are free from the duality show. Only because of words and identifications, you are trapped by the show constantly. Now I help you to stay beyond words, to stay beyond identifications inwardly. First settle inwardly beyond words, then very easily you can observe the world without words and stay free from the duality show. It is such an easiest thing, how it becomes so much difficult for you. To that extent you are corrupted by words and knowledge, which are not you. It takes more time for you to settle inwardly, the more knowledge you possess to be yourself. I take you beyond knowledge, beyond words, and make you more conscious. All your suffering is at the knowledge level. I make you know what you are. Knowing is different from knowledge. Knowledge is at the duality level. Knowing is at the non-dual level. Knowledge is at the words level. Knowing is beyond words. Knowledge is at the duality level. Knowing is at the non-dual level. Knowledge is at the identification level. Knowing is beyond identifications. Knowledge is at the object level. Knowing is beyond object. Knowledge is at the appearances level. Knowing is beyond appearances. Knowledge is at the movement level. Knowing is beyond movements. Knowledge is at the level of changes. Knowing is beyond changes. Knowledge is within space. Knowing is beyond space. Knowledge is with respect to time. Knowing is beyond time. You are already in timelessness. Knowledge is not you. Only through knowing you get to know where you are and what you are. And this knowing is by consciousness. It is consciousness which is already free from the knowledge, starts knowing its conscious presence inwardly and remains wakeful inwardly and wakes up totally to realize its unborn eternity. No person ever here, this is what I am emphasizing, no person ever here, every form is conscious form, every movement is by consciousness, every happening is by consciousness. But your consciousness is prior to happening, prior to movements, prior to objects. Knowing is most essential. Consciousness does not know its conscious state due to knowledge about the duality show, because knowledge is constantly moving, changing, and your consciousness is unmoving and unchanging. How can your consciousness know itself through knowledge, which constantly moves and changes? Your consciousness is beyond knowledge, and your consciousness knows its conscious state in stillness. In stillness, where there is no movement, knowledge cannot happen, words cannot happen. In stillness, everything dissolves. Whatever you call it as thoughts, emotions, or feelings, or experiences, everything is disappearing, dissolving in the stillness beyond duality. You are already beyond duality. Why do you bother about duality, which is not you? It is like you are observing a movie. You are already free from the screen, free from the perceived movie. Still you are attaching yourself and identifying yourself within the movie. So you are constantly troubled by the movie perceived. Exactly here, you are already free from the space and you are already free from the duality show. Still, through identifications, you are constantly trapped by the duality show. Moment to moment, you are trapped. The only possible way for you to remain free from the duality show, as well as to remain peaceful inwardly, as well as to wake up totally to know your original state is, know the conscious state inwardly. This conscious state is beginninglessly inwardly ever present, endlessly inwardly ever present. You cannot miss it. It is eternally, endlessly ever present inwardly. When it is ever present inwardly, how you go on miss your conscious state? Because you do not know how to settle inwardly where you are already. You are more worried only about the duality show. You are more worried only about the object level show. You are more worried only about the identification level show. You are interested only in show. But you never know who is the observer of the show. Let the show go to any extent. Who is the observer? Find out. Unless you find out the observer within, which is beyond duality, which is beyond appearances and disappearances, there's no possibility for you to remain peaceful, to remain relaxed, to remain joyful. Only to know the observer beyond duality, now your consciousness is remaining conscious of itself. Your consciousness does not know that it is consciousness, so it goes on accepting every frame of the duality show to be itself, and it is trapped by the story at the form level, at the memory level, at the knowledge level, at the identification level. So your consciousness remains ignorant throughout the waking state. It never knows that it is conscious state. Now, after coming here and listening to these teachings, your consciousness has every possibilities to know the conscious state within, to know the unmoving state within, to know the unchanging state within, to remain wakeful within, and to wake up totally to realize the ultimate truth within. After coming here and after listening to these teachings, your consciousness has every possibility to wake up, to realize its ultimate unborn eternity. That's why I say, having come here and listening to these teachings, you cannot miss to know yourself, you cannot miss to remain wakeful, you cannot miss to remain conscious of yourself, you cannot miss to wake up totally to realize your indescribable, ever-present, absolute wholeness. I am here exclusively to wake up your consciousness. And I am telling your consciousness that you are not a person, you are not the form, you are not the identifications, neither you are the knowledge nor you are the words. What more you want? I give you all the possibilities how you can remain conscious inwardly. And I not only tell you about your conscious state, I make you know practically. Here practical is more important than theory. So first I indicate through words what you are and what you are not. Then practically I make you conscious inwardly. Practically means knowing directly on your own that you are a conscious being without words. knowing the unmoving state within. Now you know the unmoving state within, you cannot deny it. This unmoving state is ever present. Whether you sleep or not at the form level, whether you dream or not at the form level, whether you wake up or not at the form level, this conscious state is ever there because it is prior to waking state, dream state and sleep states. All these changing states are not you. When these states are not you, why you bother about these states? Why you remain worried about these states which are not you? Because you are yet to know that you are already prior to these states. All these states constantly change and move, appear and disappear. Not you, the observer. You remain totally ignorant about the observer. That's why you are trapped by the observed duality show. Now I help you to know the conscious state inwardly and to know the stillness constantly inwardly and to make you wakeful inwardly and help you to realize also about your original, indescribable, ever-present, supreme reality. Once your listening is total, very easily you can pick up my teachings and very easily you can get to know the conscious state and very easily you can wake up totally. The most easiest thing is to settle inwardly and to remain wakeful inwardly and to wake up totally. Because to settle inwardly you need not make any effort. Because effortlessly, inwardly, you are ever present. Why you are unable to know that you are inwardly ever present? Because you never settle inwardly. Your focus is only towards the duality show which appears and disappears. You never do anything. You only observe the show. Only inside the show you appear to move here and there. Like how you observe your dream. Inside the dream you appear to move here and there. And who observes the dream? Can anyone observe your dream? Is it possible? Because there's nobody here except your conscious presence. You alone observe and you alone suffer. Why? Because you are still inside the dream. You are still sleeping. Since you are yet to wake up, you appear to suffer inside the dream. Originally you never suffered. But you appear to suffer inside the dream. Now I am entering in your dream and expounding these teachings that nothing never happens to you and I am helping you how to remain wakeful inwardly, consciously and how to wake up totally also to know your unborn eternity. What more you want? Inside the dream now I am expounding these teachings. That you are the supreme and nothing never happens to you. Only thing is, your consciousness needs to wake up. And I give you all the possibility how to remain wakeful. What more you want? And I tell you how you slip away from the reality and how you are trapped by the unreal duality. What more you want? And I tell you are already that and always that. What more you want? And I tell you nothing never happens to you. What more you want? And I tell you are never born. What more you want? And I further tell you cannot die because you are never born. What more you want? I tell you are the highest truth. There is no truth higher than you. What more you want? And I tell you are already total, complete and perfect. What more you want? What more you want? Then why you are still clinging to the duality show, where there is no reality? Now I am entering in your dream and expounding these teachings about your greatness, that you are already beyond duality, that you are already beyond birth and death, that you are already beyond form, beyond knowledge, beyond words. I help you in all the ways in multi dimensions to wake up consciously to realize your eternity. What more you want? I see to that you should not miss the truth. Because you contain it round the clock, how can you miss it? I know you have every possibility to wake up at any moment. That's why I am expounding these teachings to you. If it is not possible to wake up and to realize, I need not expound these teachings. Because I know that you are that. I know that what you need is only wakefulness. I know that you are unwilling to settle inwardly due to constant identifications at the duality level. That's why I go on expound these teachings to you about your consciousness and the greatness about your consciousness. Just listening to these teachings is more than enough for you to discard the duality show and to settle inwardly, constantly, consistently, to wake up totally, to know the eternal observer, to know that the observer is never born, cannot die, to know that the observer is beginningless and endless, to know that the observer alone prevails. I say you only prevail as the observer, and only you prevail as the observer. Rest are all not real. Whatever observed are an unreal show, unreal dream. I am with you always. Are you with me always? You are never separate from me. I know what you are yet to know. You come to know that you are not separate from me only at the non-dual state. That's why now you are closing your eyes and knowing the unmoving stillness within, where there is no division, where there is never any separation, as you and me. Inwardly, there is no division at all. You are already one with the truth. You are never separate from the source. Only when you open your eyes, spontaneously duality happens out of your consciousness and you are constantly trapped by the duality show. Why? Because you are unable to settle inwardly. Each and every word of my teachings helps you to settle inwardly and to be with yourself constantly and to remain wakeful consistently. Never miss the chance of knowing your Supreme Self, knowing the Eternal Self, knowing the unborn Self. Settle inwardly, remain wakeful inwardly to realize your unending, beginningless, ever-present, infinite reality, that you are already that and always that. I am with you always beyond words. Be with me beyond words and wake up consciously to know the eternal truth that you are already that and always that.